guys, welcome back. So today I am doing skincare that I've got from Japan from my last trip, and I must say I have gone mental on it because I bought a lot of things maybe which I don't require also. But I'm quite excited about it. And all of this is not sponsored. This is just Hansika's mini brain trying to want everything in skincare. But yes, I'm excited to share it with you guys. Let's get started. My hair is feeling amazing after this hair mask. So Fino Premium Touch Hair Mask. So everything is because of Reels. Let's blame everything on Reels because we saw this on Reels and it was going viral. So we thought, okay, let's try it. So we bought not one, not two, not three, we bought 6 of it. I had like mixed reviews of it once I bought. I did more research, very silly of me. It didn't suit mom, but it really suits my hair. So my hair is like super silky and super shiny. So yes, read about it and then get it. Riedel Shot. It's Riedel Shot for brightening your skin. This is the Riedel Shot. So I was really trying to find the Riedel Shot hydrating one, the blue bottle, but it's not available in America, in Dubai, and in India and in Japan. But I had some great reviews about this. I haven't opened one as yet. I swear by this. This is probably my 4th bottle. Riedel Shot 100, Sika Riedel. So for beginners, they have 50. The power. There's 50, there's 100, there's 300, and there's 500. I use the 100. It suits me. So this is food for my skin. Carrot Carotini, if I'm pronouncing it well. It looks like this. Okay, it's a huge bottle and it's calming water pads with carrot seed oil vegan formula. It's skin food, guys. It's skin food. Okay, we need to learn all of this now. So I've already used this once because the day I landed, I was working for the next 2 days. So and my face needed the hydration after the long flight. So this is that. It's very cute, very minimal, simple packaging, the way I like it. But yes, see, I love the packaging. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. So you basically take 2 pads and put it on your cheek, and you can take one more pad, cut it up, and put it on your forehead, nose, and chin. So it was really hydrating, and when I looked up on this, they said use it before makeup. The makeup sits really well. I do agree, the makeup sits really well. But again, do research about it, ask your dermatologist, and then do everything. I'll ask a lot of questions to my dermat, and whatever she approves for my skin, I read up on it and then get. So yes. And then next is Sakura. Yeah, Sakura. So this is a Japan made moisturizer. It is a Japanese brand, and it's very, very hydrating. After using Riedel Shot, that's what my dermat said, it's good to put a moisturizer on it. For the longest, I was putting Mary Cube, the red jelly, which was doing great for my skin. But I like mixing things up, shocking my skin a little bit with our different products so that, I know what's working for me and not keeping it very monotonous because the skin also gets used to it. So I combine Riedel Shot with Sakura. Okay, now something is coming up next that burned our pockets. So me and my friend were like, if you had to take 4, or you had to take nothing at all. Shit! It was quite expensive. In rupees, it was quite expensive. Fun fact about Japan is yens don't talk like their money currency is like 10,000 yen. So you were like, huh? A bottle of water for 10,000 yen? A meal for 50,000 yen? It's like that. But you have to, divide it or something like that. So, yes, they talk in thousands. Girls like hoarding stuff. But I wanted eye patches. So this is that. So, no, wait. So, me and my friend decided, chal khareed lete hain. 4 डब्बे की 2 तू रख 2 मैं रखती हूँ, then we'll figure it out. So this is what we told ourselves. But not that we've not got any other eye patches. This is the Sakura eye mask. Again, the packaging was so good. They had the cherry blossom packaging going on. So yes, I haven't even opened it. I do want to open it and put those eye patches and see what the result is. But this was something that I'm really looking forward for. Also, the Fun fact about eye patches: if you keep it in the fridge or freezer for some time, it does give you a better effect. Now, yes. So this is something that I've already used. It's vitamin C. I think we just bought it because I wanted to buy it, so we bought it. I really enjoyed this from last 2 days. It's really good. It's making my skin feel healthier also. So yes, it's doing good for me. The other thing is, I swear by this. Apart from needle shot, this is the snail mucin. I will tell you a quick hack to use this. If you girls are using it, use this on a damp skin. It works wonders. I wish I could show you how the consistency is. It's amazing. It's just amazing. So yes, this is the sunscreen that I use. I had actually got this as a PR package. Again, not sponsored, but they're really good. They're really good. It's Skin Q Sun Protect Ultra Light Gel. It's really nice. It's top 5 sunscreens in India apparently, guys. It's really good, and I've used it in Dubai. And like the heat is heat, if you could say, like, and it protects my skin. So I swear by it. I bought this eyeshadow palette, which is not required, but I bought it because we had to waste money. I hope mom is not seeing this video. Please, 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 please. Now this is called a Nua. Again, this only has to be a dermat approved. I use retinol once a week, but this is good. I'm going to give it a shot. Rest is some Sakura face mask. I think most of my skincare is over. The rest is just that Hansika had to buy, so she bought half of it. Actually, there's more there, but I think we can avoid that. So yes, this is heat pads where you shake it and it stays warm for good 7-8 hours. It's amazing, lifesaver for people who work in the cold. This is something very rubbish that I bought, and I used it there. I don't know why I've got this box. It's basically relaxing night heat pads or feet pads rather. Firstly, everything is in Japanese, okay? So then I had to translate it, then I had to convince myself, and then I had to get this and do extra luggage and pay for it. Basically, you put this under your feet and then leave it all night, and then next morning you will feel all relaxed, and next morning will be all relaxed and amazing, and then refreshed. Your feet will be like all charged up and crack. छोटी छोटी गलतियां होती रहती है ना, सही इतना दूर जाके मन नहीं मारना चाहिए. हमें अपना मन बिल्कुल नहीं मारना चाहिए. Yes, मन नहीं मारना चाहिए. We've got other things to burn money. See, crap. I don't know why I've got this. Now this is not under the feet. This is for the heels. So I convinced myself I'm on heels all day. This is the must for me. Must. Again, shopping gone wrong. This I'm so stupid. I bought this. Now this is for babies, not for adults. It is basically some cool patch or something that you put on your head and your fever goes down. But these are for babies. Shit! I got a free razor. Yeah, of course, I'll shop so much, so I'll get something free. Now this is an eyelash comb, which is very important, guys. Again, we didn't have this, so I had to get it. It's a tweezer. Now this is something that I'm really excited about. We're not going to make fun of it. And I saw this in every pharmacy there. Every pharmacy. So we have to use this. Next up, liner. This liner was amazing, guys. Like, oh, we got more of this. Almost last, but not so last. This is vitamin C face wash. And everything here is written in Japanese, which ma'am has understood and ma'am has got it. So, last but not the least, my only fragrance. So if you've seen my Instagram, me and Yashna, my friend, went to make some perfume and we meet. So she made something of sandalwood and I made something of the lychee fragrance. I will show you my bottle. It's here. See, there's mine and Yashna's initial Y and S. And I will spray some so that I feel great about it. Yes. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will do a night routine and a day routine and a skin routine soon. How I use everything. Comment below and tell me what do you want to see more in terms of vlog with skincare, get ready with me, or vlogs, or what. Tell me all of it. Just tell me and I will make those vlogs. I love you guys. Mwah.